Hi, this is Tammy from DIY Domination. Would you like to learn how to take your cat for a walk? In this video, we are going to talk about how to train your cat to be on a leash. But first of all, you'll need the right gear. The key lies in picking out a well-fitting cat harness. Now you might wonder why not just use a collar? Here's the thing. Our feline friends are quite the escape artists and can easily slip out of collars. So a harness is your best bet. Make sure it's a good fit, not too tight, not too loose. Now let's talk leashes. You'll want something lightweight and non-restrictive. A leash that's about 4 to 6 feet long should do the trick. Materials like nylon are a good choice. They're sturdy, yet lightweight, making them perfect for your cat's comfort and safety. All right, you've got your well-fitting cat harness and your lightweight leash. You're all set with the right equipment. Now that you have your equipment ready, let's move on to the next step. By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on pet care, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying, "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. Next up, let your cat get to know their new harness. Now, this isn't just a case of strapping it on and hoping for the best. Remember, we're dealing with a cat here, a creature of curiosity and caution. So first things first, allow your feline friend to sniff and explore the harness. Make it a part of their world. Curiosity piqued? Great. Now here's a trick. Place the harness on the floor and scatter some of their favorite treats around it. This creates positive associations. Your cat will begin to associate the harness with those delicious tidbits, and that's a win. Remember, it's all about baby steps. We're not rushing the process. We're making the harness familiar, a part of their daily environment. And soon, your cat will see the harness not as an alien object, but as a friend. With your cat now familiar with the harness, it's time to put it on. Now let's ease your cat into wearing the harness. Just like any new experience for your furry friend, the process should be gradual and stress-free. Start off by letting your cat wear the harness for short periods of time indoors. This could be during their favorite playtime or while they're engaged in a relaxing activity. This period of adjustment allows your cat to associate the harness with positive experiences. As they grow more comfortable, you can slowly increase the duration of these harness-wearing sessions. Remember, it's not a race, but a journey to ensure your cat's comfort and safety. It's essential to observe your cat's behavior during these sessions. If they appear to be stressed or uncomfortable, it's perfectly fine to take a break and try again later. After all, each cat is unique and will adjust at their own pace, and that's perfectly okay. Remember, patience is key in this process. Don't forget the power of positive reinforcement. As you continue this leash training journey, remember that rewarding your cat is a crucial step. When your little furball wears the harness without resistance, shower them with treats and affection. This positive reinforcement will help them associate the harness with good times and yummy treats, making them more willing to wear it. But how about adding a bit of finesse to your positive reinforcement technique? Consider using a clicker or a verbal cue, like saying good, right when they behave positively. Immediately follow this cue with a treat. This way, your cat will begin to associate the sound of the click or the word good with rewards, thereby reinforcing their positive behavior. In essence, positive reinforcement is all about creating a happy and rewarding environment for your cat. This method not only makes training more effective, but also strengthens the bond between you two. Now that your cat is getting comfortable in their harness, let's make sure it fits just right. A properly fitted harness is crucial for your cat's comfort. This is the golden rule of leash training. The harness should be snug, but not too tight. To check if it's the right fit, try to slide 2 fingers between the harness and your cat's skin. If you can do that comfortably, then you're good to go. If it's too loose, your cat might wriggle out of it, too tight, and it could cause discomfort or even injury. Now let's talk about checking for signs of discomfort or irritation. This is just as essential as getting the right fit. Watch out for any changes in your cat's behavior or any signs of distress. Look for rubbing, chafing, or any redness on your cat's skin. Remember, your cat's comfort is paramount. If they're not comfortable, they won't be happy, and a happy cat makes for successful leash training. With the harness fitting perfectly, it's time to introduce the leash. Now, let's introduce your cat to their new leash. You've done a great job getting your cat comfortable with the harness, and it's time to take the next step. Start by securely attaching the leash to the harness. Make sure it's fastened well, but still allows your cat some freedom of movement. Once the leash is attached, let your feline friend drag it around indoors. This is an important step to help your cat get used to the feel of the leash. Keep a close watch to ensure they don't become entangled in the leash or encounter any mishaps. It might look a bit funny, but this is all part of the process, and it's crucial for your cat to get comfortable with the leash at their own pace. Remember, patience is key in this stage. Don't rush your cat and make sure they're comfortable every step of the way. With the leash attached, it's time to take your first indoor walk. Ready for your first indoor walk with your cat? Excellent! Now that your feline friend is comfortable with the harness and leash, it's time to take a little stroll. Remember, this isn't like walking a dog. Cats are explorers by nature, so let them take the lead. Begin by picking up the leash, but don't tug. Instead, follow their lead as they navigate around your home. If they seem hesitant, coax them along with their favorite treats. Positive reinforcement is key to building their confidence. As they explore, keep the leash slack and give them room to roam. You're not directing them, merely ensuring they're safe from any indoor hazards. Your cat's pace may vary. Sometimes they'll dart around excitedly. Other times they'll creep along cautiously. That's perfectly fine. Remember, the goal here is not to control, but to accompany. You're their safety net as they venture into this new experience. Now that you've mastered indoor walking, it's time to venture outdoors. Brace yourself for the big adventure, your first outdoor walk with your cat. Now that your feline friend is comfortable with the leash indoors, it's time to expand their world and venture outside. But let's not rush into things. Choosing the right environment for your cat's first outdoor walk is critical. Opt for a quiet, secure, and familiar outdoor space. It could be your backyard or a calm corner of your local park, anywhere that's low on distractions and potential threats. Keep the leash loose as your cat steps out into this new world. Let them guide the way, sniff around, and explore at their own pace. Remember, curiosity didn't kill the cat, it made them smarter. So allow them to satisfy their curiosity, but always stay alert. Congratulations on your first outdoor walk. Let's discuss how to gradually increase your outdoor time. Gradual exposure to the outdoors is key in leash training your cat. It's all about letting your feline friend ease into the experience of the great outdoors. Start by choosing a quiet and secure outdoor environment for the first few walks. This will help your cat acclimate to the new sights, sounds, and smells without feeling overwhelmed. As your cat becomes more comfortable, you can begin to extend the duration of your outdoor walks. Gradually introducing your cat to different surroundings, such as a bustling park or a quiet trail, can help them adjust to a variety of environments. But remember, it's not a race. Your cat's comfort should always be your top priority. This step-by-step approach to leash training is all about creating a positive and rewarding experience for your cat. So keep those tasty treats handy and shower your cat with praises for their bravery. Remember, patience is key. Every cat is unique and may take time to adjust. To wrap up, let's discuss the importance of patience and review some key tips. Training a cat to walk on a leash is not an overnight task. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. Your cat may need time to adjust, and that's perfectly okay. Some cats may never fully embrace leash walking, and that's okay too. Your patience throughout this process is crucial. Now, let's recap some essential tips. Using high-value treats can be a great motivator during training. This could be their favorite snack or a special treat they don't usually get. It's also important to maintain a calm and positive demeanor. Your cat can pick up on your energy, so a relaxed environment will help them feel more comfortable. Another important tip is to never force the harness or leash on your cat. If they resist, take a step back in training and proceed more slowly. With these steps and tips, you're well on your way to enjoying outdoor walks with your cat. Remember, every cat is unique, so go at your cat's pace and enjoy the journey. If you liked this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY pet care advice.